What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Pat. I'm a full-time reseller, and today is going to be what sold on eBay week 35. I'll set you guys down here and we will jump right into it. Overall, pretty good week. I had 60 sales for just over 1,500 bucks. I picked 8 items I want to show you guys, so we'll start off with this first one, and that's this starter NHL Center Ice Tampa Bay Lightning jacket. This was actually a haul video I had last month. I wasn't really sure what to price this at because there weren't any to compare it to, so I thought I would just start high at 120 plus shipping and kind of see what happens. Here's a picture of the tag, NHL Authentic Collection Center Ice. This had some discoloration and some stains on like the cuffs. I paid $6 for this, and luckily enough it sold the day after that the Tampa Bay Lightning eliminated the Columbus Blue Jackets to advance to the next round of the playoffs. So I was kind of happy about that. I'd actually gotten a message on this when like a few days after I first posted it, saying that I would never get that much and they would be willing to pay me like $50, and I just knew I could probably get more. I wasn't sure how much more, but I think I got lucky for the most part, and it sold full price. And I actually went to somebody in my state of Florida, so shipping was a little bit cheaper than $12. I think it was like $8 or $9, so to make a couple bucks on shipping too, you can't beat it. Next, this is a brand that used to do really well for me when I first started reselling. It's Paul and Shark Yachting. This is just a regular men's button-down shirt. Here's a picture of the tag. There aren't really a lot of these listed, but so it took about 6 months to sell. I got $4 into it. Sold full price for $25.50 plus $4.95 shipping. But overall, some sweaters and like pullovers in Paul and Shark Yachting will do pretty well, but definitely be on the lookout. And also, with all these, definitely do your own research. These are just things that I've sold that I've had experience with that I think can help you guys out. Next up, I'm not sure why I listed this as pre-owned, because it still does have a store tag, and some people will still constitute that's good enough to be listed as new with tags. But it just didn't look like it was still new. It did look like somebody had used it and just kind of kept the tag there. So just kind of play it safe. I listed it as pre-owned, and that's probably why it took so long to sell. This one actually took about 6 months to sell, which ties in general are kind of long tail items. But the brand is Brioni. Excellent brand for shirts, suits, ties, pretty much everything men's clothing overall. You can see an MSRP here at $230. This sold full price for $63.74. I paid $1.67 for it. So put $1.67 into a tie and wait 6 months, especially for if I'm getting like $65 for, I'm completely happy with. I think after fees and shipping I made just over $50. So next up is another brand that I used to sell pretty well when I first started selling, and again, some different variations of this brand will sell better than others, but this is just a regular Southern Tide. Here's a picture of the tag. This is their logo. Button-down shirt. This took 2 months to sell. Paid $4 for it. It sold full price for $21.25 plus $4.95 shipping. And next, this was a retail arbitrage find. I found 18 of these throughout like 6 or 7 different stores that I went to. The brand is Tree Hut. This is a 3-pack of Shea Moisturizing Body Lotion. Now, I paid about $3 a tube of this, so I did pay up a little bit, but I've actually already sold 2 within the last 10 days. The idea with these is you can still buy items that are only worth $10 for $2 or $3 and lot them together to get more. Selling these individually for like $9 or $10 wouldn't really make sense because shipping would be too much. I think each one of these would be on the higher, individually would be on the higher end of first class to just over a pound, which would be the lowest I could ship something out for would be about $7.52 in a padded flat rate. Putting 3 of these together, I was able to fit all 3 in a padded flat rate and save on shipping that way. So to have about $9 in to $28 out, I about doubled my money, which I'm completely fine with. That's kind of the idea I'm trying to get across here, is don't be afraid to put them together, but know how much your shipping cost is going to be to kind of maximize the amount of money you can get out of these items. Next up, nothing fancy, just a regular older style Polo Ralph Lauren. The only thing good about it is it's a larger size, 4XB. This I paid just over $3, $3.30. Took about 2 weeks to sell. Sold for full price, $25.50 plus $7.90 shipping. Larger size Polo Ralph Lauren will always do well. This one was in decent shape. There were no stains or rips, but you could tell it was definitely a pre-owned shirt. Again, always look up and see what they're currently selling for, because the market can change, by the time you watch this, however long that'll be. But larger sizes always will command better money. Next up, Footjoy. This is a Footjoy Titleist white and blue striped polo. It has the Titleist patch on the shoulder as well as the logo on the collar. Generally, regular Footjoy polos I'll get anywhere between $15 and $20 for. I think because it has the Titleist patch, it sold for more. And this shirt actually had some stains on the sleeves, so I was still happy to get $34 plus $4.95 shipping. Sold it fairly quickly. It took only 3 days, so I think I might have underpriced it a little bit, or whoever bought it didn't care about the stains. But I paid $4 for it. It sold full price for $34 $34 plus $4.95 shipping. I think I probably should have priced it at like $50. It still would have sold. So I've seen some examples of this combination with the Titleist patch and the FJ on the collar sell for anywhere from like $80 to $90. So, and last, Robert Graham. I'll show you a picture of the tag. There's a bunch of different variations of this. This one's, it's got a pretty cool stripe pattern, but the ones with more intricate, like floral and maybe paisley designs, do sell for better money. This one I paid just under $4. Took about 3 months to sell. Sold for full price, $32.30 plus $4.95 shipping. Well, Robert Graham's known for having like these flip cuff and intricate, weird, wacky designs. This also being a larger size definitely helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, please smash the like button. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.